manure that we did. This is too high. Let me show you. So this is where we placed our manure when we removed from the cow shed and also the goat shed. This is still very, what do we call it? Fresh. This is still very fresh, so it's green in color, but this has decomposed and it's giving us some good soil, so it's almost turning into soil. So this is just pure manure. Of course, we have the dry wood, which is giving us oxygen, the dry matter, and we have the greens where the manure was placed. So it's decomposing on itself, and it's going to take a while. We are going to use this for our spinach, for our vegetables. You just go putting it in the drips. For the nurseries, we planted caliandra. These are 2 weeks old. We planted them 2 weeks ago, and that is almost like a week ago. So how we are spacing our caliandra so that we don't harvest it at the same time. You can see that there are many of them, and it's going to grow very well because the nursery was nicely put, but we don't want to harvest all at once. I'm going to show you how to grow your own caliandra, or even so, just preparing your own nursery. So this is a nursery that we've done. I'll plant a little bit of caliandra. This is multicult. I'll plant, I think there are just a few seeds remaining. So we are going to plant this in here. And then I have let's plant our caliandra. Ensure that the bed is smooth. So we flatten and remove the lumps. Just remove these lumps. And then we draw some line. We don't have a lot to plant, so I'll space them nicely. So this is just not so deep. Oops. So I'll leave good spacing so that we can harvest them slowly. And then the last line. So let's start with our multi-cut. The seeds are not as many. Just pour your seeds. Cover them lightly. So after growing your seeds, you cover it, of course, with a dry matter. This you'll cover it for 1 week. As the seeds germinate, you remove your cover. So let's do our watering. So you water just enough for the seeds to get some yes, so we do our watering. We are hoping for rains, so when it rains there's no need for water, but because we don't have the rains yet, we'll do some watering. I think let me remove this. This should be faster. This should be faster doing it direct from the water tank. Because our soil is moist because of the rains, I think it's quite moist. We are not going to over flood it with water, so that should be sufficient. And then we water this other part. So we've done 2 nurseries today for multicult Calandra. Thank you so much for watching Mbuvi Farm channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe, like and share our videos. If you're a continuing or a returning subscriber, we appreciate your support. We post our videos 2 days in a week, on Wednesdays and Saturdays, 4 p.m. Central African time. Thank you and bye-bye.